911 emergency, what are you reporting?
Get out! Go get the gun!
Hello, 911.
It's going to be Glen.
Yes, please call the police!
Hey, ma'am, I can't understand a sheriff. I need you to stop screaming, please.
He's killing my husband! Maple Glen Road! There was a guy, he went in the ditch, and my husband went to see if he was okay, and he got out, he was beating the crap out of him.
Out of your husband? He was attacking your husband?
Yes.
He walked to the front door and attempted to open it, but it was locked. He then walked into their yard, picked up a large river rock, returned to the porch, rang the doorbell, and appeared to wait for somebody to answer the door.
Or what am I doing?
After a few minutes, when nobody answered the door, he left with the rock in his hand.
911, what's your emergency?
Well, there was a man that just came to my front door on Maple Glen Road, and he knocked at my front door, and then he picked up a rock and then stood there a while and tried the door. Couldn't get in, but then he walked off.
White, black, Hispanic, Asian?
Tall, slender black man.
He walked off and continued southward on Maple Glen to a third residence where he attempted to open the locked perimeter security gate. As he turned away from the gate and continued south, the first deputy arrived on Maple Glen.
Sheriff's Canine, stop right there, dude. Stop right there. Stop right there. You're gonna get bit by my dog. Stop right there. Get your hands up, bro. Unit 13, shots fired, shots fired. Fuck! Get your fucking hands up! Hands up! Get your fucking hands up! Get your fucking hands up now! Put your hands up now! Roll over on your stomach and put your hands up! Roll over on your stomach and put your hands up! Don't touch that! Put your hands up! Roll over on your stomach now! I'm moving up. Alright, I'm with you. Go on your stomach! Turn over! I'm going hands up. Yeah, we're detaining him now. Stand by. The other hand out. Okay. Go fucking grab right now! Stop right there, dude. Stop right there. Stop right there. Get bit by my dog. Stop right there.